Pyrolysis definition. Pyrolysis is the thermal decomposition of waste tires in the absence of oxygen. It doesn't produce pure oxygen, but it breaks tires into useful products. Chemical nature of tires. Tires are made of rubber, mostly hydrocarbons like carbon, hydrogen, small sulfur, and small oxygen. Process steps. Feedstock hydrate type tire pieces, heating 350 degree to 700 degree in a closed reactors. Produced formed pyrolysis oil, carbon black, sign gas contains gases like COH, CH, CO, etc. Uh, Gas composition example: CO CO 10 to 8 to 10%, CO 15 to 25%, hydrogen 5 to 10%, CH 10 to 15%, and other balance. The CO and the CO are the oxygen containing gases, but not free oxygen. Gasification of tire char. If the char from the pyrolysis is gasified with a limited amount of oxygen or the steam, you can create a sign gas again. C plus H2O gives a CO plus H2. C C plus O2 gives CO2. Still, no free oxygen is obtained. Rather, oxygen is consumed to create these gases. Third process, oxygen recovery. To get oxygen, you, you could electrolyte the water produced in this process. Example: 2H2O gives 2H2 plus O2. 2CO2 gives 2CO plus O2. Waste tire to oxygen system. Materials needed: tire processing, tire waste tires, reactor, heating resistant steel container to break down tires without open burning, heat system, and other etc. things have written down. Thank you.